After 2 days in Malta, it was time to catch the early ferry back to Sicily, along with Holly and some family who came to help out with the remaining luggage. It was a breezy morning and the trip only took 1.5 hours to reach Pozzallo port, where Chris was waiting for us. Here we are with the luggages. We are gonna put everything inside the van, which is this space, and some, of course, storage inside.
It's really hot here. We've just been swimming today at the beach out here and enjoying the sun. But to be honest with you, we're feeling really hot. Time to get out of here and head north. Feeling hot? While our families headed back home, we set out in search of a cooler spot to spend the night.
So this is our spot for tonight.
Halfway up Mount Etna. So we've head up to Mount Etna to escape the heat. We found this great parking spot here. As you can see, just on the side. How are you settling in, Holly? She's happy. Today we're at Lago Sirino in Italy and we're just about to leave. So we've been at this amazing campsite and you've got free water and you can throw everything away that you need to, and the electricity is like €2 for every 6 hours, so it's been a perfect stay right by the lake.
And what are we gonna do today?
So we're just gonna get ready to leave. We'll fill up before we leave, so we'll fill up some water and we're gonna head north. Long drive today, but we're gonna stop off and buy a bike, hopefully.
Bike.
So we've been looking for a bike. We want to buy one bike because we don't want to be too heavy, so we need to find a bike which is not too small for me but big enough for you as well. So we're going to Decathlon.
Are you ready to buy the bike?
Yes, let's go.
He's going. So I'm going back inside, Chris, okay? And you deal with this thing. Wait, be careful. And the second one. Wait, honey, come here. So this fits like this. Okay.
This I'm going to put it up.
That's it. So we got the bike and we are ready to go.
We're going to be heading up north now, another 4-hour drive, and we're going to be staying by this lake for tonight. Really close to Tuscany, so I think the next real stop is in Tuscany. was a really long drive here. We finally made it right beside the lake. Really nice camping spot. There's a few other vans here. There's about 5 in all, but it's really nice and quiet as well. So here's our parking spot for the night. Charlene's gonna start cooking.
I took Holly for a walk, and look at her. I just cleaned her paws and she's here jumping around. Say good night. Say good night.
Don't wait for me, honey. Don't wait. 'Cause I'm always heading your way. And I know exactly what I'm looking for.
Good morning. So we woke up early today, 6 o'clock. I'm just enjoying the beautiful lake. Sun is rising. And behind there, we've got ducks. We've got an island in the middle. Really nice this morning. And we've also got a black sand beach. Very small, but still. Little Missy here did not want to wake up. Holly. She kept trying to go back to the van. We finally made it to Torrita di Siena, which is where we're going to be staying for the next 2 days, I think. So we're parked up here. First we stopped by this other site, which was about an hour away, and it was full of people, so we just carried on going. I'm glad we did, because we've got this place to ourselves, so free electric, free water, and waste disposal as well, so it's a perfect spot. And just out here we've got a nice view. Classic Tuscany. We saw some deer as well. We're gonna have something to eat. We're not too hungry, so I think we're just gonna have some fruit. By the way, we washed the van as well. I will say good night for now, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night.
Keep watching.
Good morning everyone. This morning we woke up extra early, about 5:30. We drove into the Val D'Orcia here, close to Pienza, and we found an epic spot to take some shots of the van. We're gonna go and find some more before heading back to the campsite.
are leaving from Tuscany.
Yeah, we really enjoyed it. We've been here loads of times, but this was the first time with a motorhome, so it's really exciting. I think we're lucky we found a great spot in Torretta di Siena, so we were sleeping there most of the nights. It's been
So
hot. It's been hot. But
Too much.
really enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the clips. I think we'll close the video here.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button.
Subscribe as well.
Yeah, subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll see you next week. Where?
In the Dolomites.
In the Dolomites.
Woohoo! Let's go!